Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you how to get Tomodachi Life Living the Dream for free. This is a brand new release on Nintendo Switch, and therefore it is pretty expensive, costing about 50 Great British Pounds, which is about 70 US dollars. I'm going to be showing you how to get a digital game code for a free copy of Tomodachi Life Living the Dream. Takes just a few minutes, guys. Before I show you how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for methods on how to save money. So guys, as you can see here on my mobile phone, you can get a digital code and you redeem it in the Nintendo eShop. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get a free digital copy of the game. So what you need to do is use your mobile phone internet browser. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well. So just open up whatever browser you choose to use. I'm using Safari here. And you've got to go to this website, www.crashcoupons.com. So type it exactly like this. Pause the video if you need to and copy it down. Crash Coupons is basically a game code website, and as you can see, as soon as you get onto the website, you're greeted by tons of different game codes, guys. They have pretty much everything. So what you need to look for is the Tomodachi Life code. So yeah, just you can scroll down and look for it, or you can use the search bar and just type in Tomodachi. Make sure you can actually type Tomodachi, I think that's how you spell it, yeah. Tomodachi Life Living the Dream free game code. So just type in that. And as you can see, this is a free game on Nintendo Switch. This is really popular and it's being used a bunch today as well. So click on show full code. And like I said, guys, this is going to get you a digital game code that you can redeem in the Nintendo eShop. And it is the quickest and easiest method to get Tomodachi Life Living the Dream for free. So as you can see, obviously these codes are limited. There's 400s, there is a ton of them, but they are limited, guys. So you need to unlock your digital game code. So to do that, click on get full code, and it's gonna bring you to this page here that tells you how to get your game code. So as you can see, you need to complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. So basically these offers on this page are completely free, and they're really easy things like installing and opening mobile apps, playing mobile games until certain levels, like this one says level 9. There may be free surveys as well, where you can just complete surveys. So yeah, just make sure you do follow the instructions below each of the 2 tasks that you choose. And once you fully complete 2 of them, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Tomodachi Life Living the Dream free game code will be revealed in the box. Then you redeem it in the Nintendo eShop, and that is going to get you Tomodachi Life Living the Dream for free. So that is it, guys. Go to Crash Coupons and then navigate your way. You can scroll through or just search for it. Just find the Tomodachi Life Living the Dream free game code here, and yeah, follow the instructions. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Peace out.